Welcome to the Journey Genetic Testing instructional video series. How to make your own DNA kit at home. Many people choose this option for additional privacy. Our international clients often prefer this option as well to save on international shipping costs. Step 1. Prepare a paper envelope for each person who is having their DNA tested. Write the following information on the envelope. The Journey Genetic Testing case number you were given in the email we sent you. The name of the person being tested, this must match the name on the order form. Type of test you ordered, paternity, sibling, grandparent, avuncular, forensic, or twin. Suspected relationship of the person, such as alleged father, child, sibling, grandparent, or aunt or uncle. Step 2. You will need 4 clean cotton swabs for each person whose DNA is being collected. You can use a standard cotton swab, or a buccal swab. Please notice the type of tip that is on a standard cotton swab. Do not use a bristle or fuzzy swab. If you want to send this type of swab for testing, it will be considered a non-standard sample for testing purposes. Please cut off the tip of the swabs on one side. This will leave the shaft and one tip on the swabs. Insert the swab into the mouth as demonstrated here, and gently rub the swab up and down, and then roll the swab, for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat this process with the second swab. Then use the other 2 swabs on the other side of the mouth, again rubbing against the cheek and gum. Do not allow the swab to touch the teeth. If you have ordered testing for something other than a mouth swab, place that item directly into a paper envelope. Do not send the item in a plastic baggie. Step 3. Allow the swabs to air dry for about 30 minutes. Do not let the tip of the swab touch any surface. You may use a short glass to set the swabs in to dry. Do not put swabs into any plastic bag or container. The reason for this is because the swabs have been wet. If you put them into plastic, it can create a situation where bacteria can grow. This can cause a problem when testing for DNA, and may require recollection of the DNA sample. Step 4. Repeat for each person who is sending their DNA for testing. Tape the envelope closed. Do not lick the envelope to seal it. Once completed, place all of the individual envelopes into one larger envelope. We recommend returning your DNA samples to our lab using a carrier that will provide you a tracking number. This allows you to follow their journey to our lab. Once all samples ordered arrive at the lab, we will email you that testing has started. Your results will be emailed to you in 1 to 2 business days after testing begins. We look forward to helping you on your journey.